me scratch. The scratch so strong, it got me weak, yeah. I'm so on it, threw me off, yeah. I'm throw off, yes indeed, yeah. I threw up after my threes. I'm on my threads, had to leave the crime scene like criminals do. She wanna come to my crib and give me a genital smooch. Typical, get the pickle and skedaddle. I sling ping like a lasso. The mean king saved the queen from the castle. I grabbed the saddle. Prisoner, the prescription is changed. Shackle Jack Daniels, shot it trying to tell me.
Motherfucker, hey, didn't I say, nigga, hey, we can't rap, nigga, we smoking weed. Stop rapping, nigga, this is not a rap session. We getting hard.
If I ain't smoke a blunt right now, I'ma be on 285 with my pants pulled down around my ankles. Still no stranger to the blunt smoke, gun smoke. You niggas don't want smoke, no guts like that swisher we just smoke. We cut those niggas ain't...
Wait, hold on, hey, wait. Wait, okay, Watson, stop. Cause this nigga J. Cole, he done grew some dreads, he think he smoked now. Pass the blunt, nigga, stop rapping, that's the end of the song, nigga. This is the end of the session, we going home, I just called my lift. I just wanna call the hit the blunt, let me try one more time.
Yeah, this some easy shit. Yeah, this too easy. Yeah, yeah, nigga like me so seize, I'ma seize at the season you see when you see us. Y'all nigga don't even believe in the shit y'all be speaking, y'all geeking to be y'all better not reach for the heat, cause the heat and the squeeze, they ain't meeting the reaper. Y'all better just feed us the feed, be defeated, the heat, me the freak, but I feed her.
Young nigga like me in the V in the seat, no key, cause it start, he don't need one. Set shot, now we plotting to speed up. Need my Frankers like Kirk and Aretha to put towards the re-up, yeah. I fuck the fortune and eat up, yeah. If you addressing and speak up, yeah. Bars in the mirror like Eason, I'm trying to set the team up, no time for no league.
He talking heavy, he better be vetted, we never seen pressure, we racked up on cheddar cheese. But if he don't get the welling and telling, we know it's all barking his pedigree. I think I might just be different from niggas, ain't feeling you niggas bitch, at all. I'm a gas out, pistol hoe, mumble sauce, chicken power. Niggas know if I get going, they gon' have to get me off it go. I think I might, about to blow, I think I might. Tell that hoe you gotta show, you never know if you my type.
I treat this shit like it's mad, and if it need to happen, press O, my dog gon' spin. I treat this shit like I know that I'm him. I treat this shit like I'm late on the rent again. I treat this shit like the plug, not no middleman. I treat this shit like I ain't looking back. Oh, this ain't Wimbledon, no back and forth, we just deal with them, feel me, and not to be that.
I treat this shit like I really was chillin'. If they want the villain, I might be. Nigga, look at the score, we just put up a
Yo, Sanponan Baba. Good morning, Chief. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. You're now tuned in to the live. Happy Wednesday. This is GBP JPY, and this is a live trading session. I am currently already in a position here based off of the structure, the retest of the structure, and this engulfing candle here with my stop below that wick as we pulled back and then flipped. What I'm looking for now is to see if we can continue into, it's a bit of a skew line, continuing to clear these areas. This is my play for now, and I'll be looking to see what comes next. I myself have already secured some profit. See, that's pushing up about 11 pips. So I'm just looking to see if we can continue for the hourly to close nice and strong. Mainly above here. So as you can see now, if this candle can close, we'd have made support. Just need to break here to then push up further to the upside. All easy. But 9 minutes to go. So waiting, chilling, looking. Let's see. Gold, nothing yet, just waiting. Yeah. So all easy, chilling, waiting, looking to see how far one can push this morning. All wanting to see the chart in itself, that will be on YouTube only. TJ can hold above 200.200 2.2. I'd appreciate that.
Well, here we are back on the hot, muggy street of New York.
6.5 minutes to go.
Starting right now. Sound was the weapon, all right?
What could it have been?
I don't know, but let's get out of here.
Yesterday, I think crashed these markets yesterday. I think that's what happened here.
Yeah, because I couldn't really find anything particularly.
Well, she scared everyone because she basically is just saying that there's going to be tax rises. I'm not telling you what, but there's going to be tax rises. And that spooked the pound because you can see the pound against any currency it dumped. In money. But then you think about it.
Really?
Every time that there's a news event, it gets corrected.
Yes.
More often than not.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see.
Yeah, I'm just figuring it out now. Morning, Rudy, by the way. How you doing? Yeah, man. Let's say this is the morning I've woke up the happiest this week. So, I'll take it. I'll take it. How come? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Just feel good, man. That's no reason to not feel good, you know?
I'm bloody knackered.
That's life, man.
I'm shocked. I had a late night because I was watching the dump.
Oh, would you? Were you sat there watching it?
Yeah, I was because I needed to keep an eye on it basically to get into position. So I got into some Ethereum positions right at the bottom. But it dumped. I mean, Nasdaq filled the gap. Bitcoin dumped to 100k. ETH dumped to 3,002, I think, in the end of something. But Nasdaq filled the gap now. I'm loving the Nasdaq now, and I think this could be boring on again because I think the gap is filled. It's retraced to the daily, the last swing high, and as long as this holds on the Nasdaq, yeah, right there, Jack.
Oh yeah, I can see. I'm just looking at this rejection there. Yeah.
As long as that holds, this is bull run back on me, because I think this is the pullback everyone wants, and you got the gap fill. So you got the gap fill on here, you got the gap fill on SPX, you got the gap fill on GJ. So
the same kind of situation as here.
Yeah, 100%. If you're not bullish still, then if it breaks that airplay, so we'll see probably by the end of this week. I mean, Bitcoin's at a fantastic level, 100k level. I think it could still go slightly lower, but it's a great level to buy, I think. Everyone's shit scared at the moment. I got in positions at 3,200 on ETH, and I had actually a buy order at 2, 8, and 3 dead. So yeah, I'm up at the moment. Let's see. I was watching that, so I'm a bit tired.
I think I feel good. I don't know. I was in a little bit of pain last night with my neck, so I took a cocodamol and it absolutely knocked me out. So
Well, that stuff will, yeah.
yeah, it's probably why I feel good. Just looked to my mum. I was like, "You got any sleeping tablets?" She's like, "No." I said, "Got any painkillers?" Yeah. I was like, "Sweet." So
Cocodamol will do it. Yeah.
That'll get me to sleep. It's from being under that van, man. It's fucking ruined my back and my neck. Oh.
They're good for back pain, those.
Yeah.
Get maybe the counter now, I think.
Oh, these were big boys. These were 500 milligrammers. Yeah. I don't think you can get them over the counter. I'm not too sure.
Down a pint and you'll be sleeping for a week.
Yeah. Oh, this is in a really tricky spot for me. What I'm thinking, it's not as nice as I would have liked it to have been.
Where's Edge Night today?
I think all I can say for this morning is wait for a pull up to 201. But I mean, that is far away still, isn't it? 80 pips away.
Yeah, but look how it's moving. I mean, I think the pippage today, it's like quite irrelevant. Yeah. It's sort of quite irrelevant, right?
It's going to go where it wants. It's going to whatever number it wants to go to. Yeah.
See if it rejects here. This is Asian session high, so we'll see. I don't think I'll be interested. I mean, I want to be interested in sales at 600 really, but if I'm selling it. But I'll be honest, if I get this pulls down below Asian low, sort of at the 800, 199, 800 mark, I'll be interested in sales. But I'm also interested in buys back up. So it's one of those days where I'll take both because I think it's looking good both sides for me. Yeah. Yeah, just has, isn't it? This could just be a bottom weight though to go, couldn't it? Because this is the hourly level. But could you flip here? Yeah, exactly. Could you flip here? I think there's enough room for a scalp here, I'll be honest. Quickly, Mr. Broker, sort yourself out. The pips spread's quite high, 0.6, 0.7. It's a lovely hourly candle. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, you've got the option of an 8 pip scalp here to fill that wick.
You do.
Mm.
I'm flying this week, so I could take a 5 pip stop on I can take a 5 pip loss on this.
I'm going to sit and wait for a break of something. I don't like where it is this morning.
It's above yesterday's daily low, above the previous 4-hour high. You closed above Asian session high. Just depends how big this wick's going to be. And then I'll be looking for sales right now. You are? Oh, okay. Step behind me again, please. This looks good.
Yeah, I'd like a close below here of 0.850. Nice clean traffic coming down. Four hours rejected now.
Got a hold here. This is where it's got a hold.
What, for buys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
this is the 50 moving average, really, on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, exactly. See, I use EMA, so 50, we've already crossed over the 50 on the 15, but on the 30, we literally just rejected the 50. I mean, we were right on it. Literally, the 50 was almost at 200 pivot. So, but you'd see normally on the 50 on the EMA, you'll normally see your first rejection there, and then we'll see if it can go, because it was still above the 200 and the 12 on here. So you're in that range, which is that Asian range. I always look at this for breakouts when you're getting close within moving averages like that, and then you're going to go one way or the other, because all moving averages are is an average of price, right, over a period of time. So it just gives you a general idea. It's got to hold Asian low and hold these moving averages, otherwise this is going down, which is fine, because that gives you a really good option here. That's why I think there's brilliant options either way. You've got a sell, a straight scalp, or a sell at the top of the range, or a buy above. So there's loads of options today. I like GJ when it's like this.
I'm sticking to my red and green box, and that's that. That's it. Red box, mate. When the red goes in the red, you make bread.
Sell. Sell, green, buy, right?
You sit back and smoke some green. No, it's just it's just what I like you. It's just what I've done for years. I've just known. I don't. If it doesn't settle right in these two boxes for me, I don't touch it. It's very rare.
It's a good way of doing it.
It's very rare I'll take something that isn't in them boxes, unless there was like a substantial support at the bottom of this range, which is in the orange box. Because the orange box will show you, to me, it's accumulation of order. So what we're looking for now is a break into the green of the red zones, which is our clean traffic, which is our higher points or our lower points. Now, the order flow that's going to create that to happen, to me, is all of these candles here. This is all your order block or whatever you want. I don't call it that, but you can just simply see that price is stagnated here and had to make a decision. So that's where now it will make a volume into one of these boxes. So we'll see. But then, of course, I have my 4 hours like that as well. So now I just find putting the colour, I think it's with my ADHD, it's putting the colours on the screen stops me from doing stupid stuff. Because ADHD people are impulsive, so I have to change it to not be impulsive decision making. Just like the idea of this 4 hour flipping and breaking it slow. It's right on that level that I want. Oh, tomorrow's the big news as well.
What was that?
Tomorrow's big news. Rates. And then unemployment, NFP. Is it NFP? No. It's unemployment rates and non-farm employment change. Okay.
Let's check the other chart out while I'm here.
Yeah, this stuff coming out.
Oh, don't say that.
Yen
Really?
long positions have been shrinking after summer. Recent yen moves deviate from fundamentals. If Japan's deal with the US is the best thing. Don't think that's the best thing to say when Trump's president.
He ain't happy. New York's mayor. He ain't happy at all. Not after last night. No way. He's going to be pissed off. Which is a good thing. Why are you doing that? Let me just save my things. What the fuck? I swear on my life. Trading view sometimes does me in. Come on, GJ. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. I've held enough drawdown. What drawdown did I hold? How much was that? 26 pips. I'm going to make a cup of tea. My stop's in place under the hourly. I know what my trade is. I'm not adjusting it. So I'll be back in a minute.
Is anyone there? Morning. What? Everyone's gone? What? Taking the piss. Why haven't you left? Yeah, it looks it. Oh, nice. Did you get involved with that? What's up? Was this because I left you?
You fucking piss take. It's such a
Oh, it
mistake.
is, doesn't it?
Morning, Alex.
Morning. Well, that was enough, and I've got a job to get on with.
He has a life. He has a life.
Yeah. What do you mean? Oh, what, like, yeah? Clock to work. Yeah, I still had it. I watched all the moves and stuff.
You went over your trade, actually, after you left.
Yeah, I think it was fine. I think the only thing I needed to do was take the impulsive shot you did, because 10 pips would have been plenty for me anyway.
I see.
I just need to remember that a bit more, that I can do that. Not, because I watch it happen and I'm like, could have done it. And then sometimes more confirmation is I don't know. I find the further I get into this with Chris now, like, closes don't really mean a lot. Always. Like, it's just an arbitrary. It's just an arbitrary thing.
Yeah, I get you.
Do you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't always necessarily matter that much.
Yeah, totally. It depends on your style, doesn't it? Style of play and how you want to do it.
But you look at, like, yesterday, for example. Had I not waited for a close, I would have been fine.
Yeah.
But thinking that you're being more patient and less risky, you actually end up doing the opposite.
That easily happens.
Yeah, when it's doing what you want it to do, it's, what do you want to do about it?
So like today, I'm still in drawdown by 13 pips, right? So.
What did you buy? What did you buy? Breaking the high?
Yeah, book by breaking the high. But my trade is based on the 1 hour. So I've got my stop below the 1 hour, which is below Asian low. Or is it? Hold on. Yeah. No, yeah, it's about Asian low. It's about the 1 hour wick. So I don't need to adjust there's nowhere for me to manage my trade here, unless what I did was like what Rudy did, immediately close it as soon as it rejected 200. But after that big engulfing candle, I think it's just going up. Could be wrong, but for me today, there is no management. My management is my stop. So it's a 1-to-1 play, half risk. So
yeah, my intention was to either buy at 204.
Yeah.
Or if this closes as it is, I'll probably buy breaking the highs, because it'll be respecting the range.
And I think this is the thing with these sort of trades, like yesterday. We were talking about where else you could have managed it.
I think I missed one there. Yeah.
I thought you could have managed it when it broke back above the daily on the lower
Yes,
time frame.
I agree. I wrote that in my notes. Looking at it, that's where I should have managed it.
Yeah.
Because then that would have given me enough to go for the next shot.
Exactly. But that's really the only place I think when we were chatting about it yesterday, it would have made sense.
Yeah.
It was unlucky because the trade went off and played on. It played on.
Oh no, I sat and watched it. I was just like, oh fuck. It's just, but the thing is, it's half the battle, because at least I'm have the right ideas. Just slightly mistimed execution, so I'm fine with that.
Do you mark that down on your journal when trades work out, so your analysis is correct, but your trade was wrong?
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, I do.
That's what helped me massively. Made me realise that I was being a spanner most of the time, and actually, what I was seeing and what I planned out was correct. I was just executing, closing wrong, managing wrong.
Yeah, I think one of the things I lack is a lot of creativity, like in options. So it's very, very rigid. And I think that's probably one of my downfalls. Not taking impulsive shots and stuff like that. Just always waiting for structure at the moment. I think it's just not doing me any favours at the moment.